Hello, I'm Tim Holliday, Area Sales Manager for KUHN UK, and today I'm doing a quick walk round the Multi-Master 123 plough. KUHN ploughs come in two versions, Multi-Master, which is a mechanical vari-width, and Vari-Master, which is a hydraulic variable width. They also come in two types of leg protection, traction bolt and NSH or non-stop hydraulic. In the mounted range of ploughs we have three beam sizes which are denoted by the model number on the side. 123 stands for a 120 by 120 mm box frame, a 153 has a 150 mm frame, and a 183 a 180 mm frame. In the UK we supply the LPO solid board as our standard body. This is designed for tractors with tyre widths up to 650 and takes all the soil out of the bottom of the furrow and puts it up onto the top of the furrow so those big tyres can travel in these narrower working widths. We also offer the H4 and T bodies as alternatives as a solid board. The T body is able to plough at shallower depths but still turn the soil right over. The H4 is a body that's used on general purpose ploughing for tractors with smaller tyres. We also offer two models of slatted body, which are the VL and VLPO body, VLPO being a wide tyre body. The land sides on a KUHN plough are reversible, so once the tail has been worn away we can rotate that 180 degrees to use the opposite side. Once that has worn we can then swap with the opposite body to get another two wears out of that same land side. Likewise, the skimmer blade is also reversible, and once the front edge has been worn it can be swapped with its opposite to give a second life to that particular part. The plough body is made up of a triplex layer. This is of unequal thicknesses, the thickest part being the surface which is in contact with the soil. The second is a softer, more pliable, followed by again a hard surface on the back. This gives us very good consistency in the board and extremely good wearing life. The depth wheel, another very important feature of any plough. This particular one is a 690mm depth wheel with a shock absorber, which means that the movement between the left and right hand side of the plough is very smooth. It's got a decent size width on it to carry the heavier ploughs in soft ground, and it can be positioned along the beam, so if you prefer the wheel closer to the plough to plough up to the hedge you can bring the wheel forward, but if you want a more stable plough you can move the wheel to the back to give you better stability between the front and the back of the plough. I think a plough should be as easy to set as possible. 20 minutes should be more than enough in order to set a new plough up on a new tractor. And this plough is really simple. You have two screw adjusters on the depth wheel to control the depth of the back of the plough. Obviously your tractor linkage to set the front of the plough so we have a nice level beam in direction of travel. The uprightness of the plough is also easy to set. We want a plough that is vertical to the work. And this is done by two screw adjusters mounted at the back of the headstock. Skimmer adjustment, also very simple. We have a rectangular stalk with a dimpled leg with a bolt selection on one side just to select the height of that skimmer. Once we have one height it's very easy to set the rest of the plough. It's important with a new plough on a new tractor to make sure that the headstock adjustments are made correctly. So we need to measure the distance between the inside of the rear tractor wheels, and then this will give us a corresponding information as to how to set these two particular adjustments on the plough. This ram is a hydraulic alignment ram. Its job is it's linked with the turnover ram, so when the plough is turning over this ram is extended to narrow the turning circle of the back of the plough so that the land wheel doesn't catch the ground as it rotates. Once the plough is back in position we have two stops which control the working position of that ram. I hope this short video has sparked a little bit of interest. If you'd like more information, please go to the KUHN website or contact your local KUHN dealer.